Welcome to today's OG lesson. Today we're going to work on learning about the sound I-G-H, psi-I. So when you see these three letters together, I-G-H, they say the long vowel I. I'm going to go ahead and move the camera down to the writing board so that we can do our lesson this way. So again, the sound I-G-H, three letters, says one sound. So when you tap it with one sound. It says we are going to learn three letters that make one sound. I-G-H says the long vowel I. Here is our sentence that we're going to work on. The sentence says, the light will brighten the night. So the sentence is, the light will brighten the night. Whenever you see I-G-H, it's one tap. So for example, light would be L-I-T, light. Again, one tap. The word night would be N-I-T, night. And then brighten is a two-syllable word, so we'll tap out bright first. B-R-I-T, bright. And then do N to make brighten. Read the sentence with me. The light will brighten the night. I have a capital and a period and wonderful finger spaces. Okay, next part of the lesson. We are going to think of an object that has light in it. I just happened to find a flashlight. This is a pretty big flashlight. This is used more for working, but it does make a light. And it's called a flashlight. So that is my object. Now we're going to play the riddle game where I'm going to say a word and you're going to try to think of the word that I'm going to say. The first word I'm thinking of is something that's way, way up in the sky. You might see a plane or a bird way, way up in the sky. It has the I-G-H sound. It begins with a H. Can you think of the word I'm thinking of? If you said H, I'm going to do it in two different colors. You said the word H, I, you are correct. H, I. And what letters say I? I-G-H. The word is high. The next word I want to do, and I'm going to have you try to guess, is when you're correct with something. When you're doing your math and you have all the questions correct, you are right. Very good. Could also be I'm a right-hand writer. That would work too. The third one-syllable word we're going to do is when a bird spreads its wings from its nest. It begins with an F. Full. There's a nice blend. Flight. The next word I'm going to do is a two-syllable word. It was the image I showed you earlier. The first part of the word does not have an I in it, but you use this to help you guide your way when it's dark, maybe when you're camping or if you're working in a tight space. The object I showed you earlier was another blend, FL, which is a digraph, flash, light, flashlight. And the last word I'm going to do is trying to think of another word that doesn't have light in it. That's a two-syllable word. Oh, this is a good one. 285 is not just a street. 285 is a What is it? It's a way. This actually has a vowel team in it. A, rhymes with day, A-Y. I hope you got that one right. So that's a two-syllable word. Please go ahead and tap these out and read them with me. H, I, high, R, I, t, right, light, flight, flash, flash, light, light, flashlight, and high, way. Highway. Let's read the whole word together. High, right, flight, flashlight, highway. We're going to think of our chant. I-G-H, high, I we could do. Or we could do I-G-H, right, I. Or we could do I-G-H, sight, I. Very nice. Okay, next part of our lesson is doing our spelling words. We have 4 this week. I think you can kind of see I've made my sound lines. It's kind of hard to see because I did the pink first. But let's go ahead and do our first spelling word. We're going to pound it out and then write it. The first spelling word this week that has the I-G-H pattern is the word sigh. I, sigh. Only 2 sounds but 4 letters. I, sigh. Let's rewrite it over here without the sound breaks. Sigh. I-G-H-I. The second spelling word is the word thigh. Thigh. Digraph I. Thigh. This one has 5 letters but only 2 sounds because the TH counts as 1 sound as in, and then we have the sound I. We can rewrite thigh over here. The third word is the word might. You should be writing these with me. Might. Might. I, might. I, might. Can rewrite it over here. And the last spelling word is a 2-syllable word. The word is midnight. We're going to tap out the mid first. Mid. I-D. Short I this time. I-D. And now we're going to do the word night. Night. I-T. Night. I-T. Night. Let's go ahead and rewrite mid. Night. Please read these words with me. We'll tap them out first and then we'll read them. I, sigh. I, thigh. I, might. And midnight. Mid, I, D. Midnight. I, night. Please read the whole word with me. Sigh, thigh, might, midnight. When I sigh, I make a deep breath. I wonder if you've ever done that. A thigh is a part of your leg. Might means you might do something, or you could be mighty strong. And midnight is in the middle of the night. It's 12 o'clock a.m. It's when you're hopefully sleeping. The moon's probably out, and the night is sure quiet. Okay, we have 1 sentence we're going to do today. The sentence we're going to do has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. That's a short one today. We will need the bright flashlight. Yep. The sentence is, we, draw your lines with me, will need the bright flashlight. Now go ahead and make my mountain and my place for my ending mark. Again, we'll write the first letter. The sentence is, we will need the bright flashlight. So we will need the bright flashlight. Okay, pretend like the words are there and read it with me. We will need the bright flashlight. We, e. Tap that one out. Will has a bonus letter. What says I, itchy eye. Ooh, because it's an L, it has that bonus letter. We will need E. Oh, we learned the E last week as in Jeep E, 2 E's, vowel team. We will need the, trick word we've had, we all know how to spell the. We will need the bright. Let's go ahead and tap that out. It has that I-G-H sound. Bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. Flashlight. We've already spelled this one once. 2 syllables. Flash. L-A-S-H. Light. L-I-T. Flashlight. It's one word. I probably shouldn't have put a space in there, but I was showing you that it's 2 syllables. At the end, I need a period. I can go ahead and do my cups to make sure I'm accurate. Let's read it one time first, so read it with me, please. We will need the bright flashlight. We has a capital letter. My sentence does make sense. I remembered today my period, and my spelling is accurate. I know it's accurate because I've been working hard on my trick words, and also because I really took my time on these 2 harder words to tap it out, and I know that I-G-H says I. Now it's your turn to rewrite that sentence neatly. I will do it with you as well. We, turn this up just a tab, will, remember your finger spaces, use those lines to help you write neatly, need the bright, I'm going to just make sure I have that I-G-H in there. I'm going to tap it out as I'm writing it. B-R-I-T. Bright flashlight. This time I'm going to make sure I make it a compound word where it's put together without a space. We will need the bright flashlight. Once I've written my sentence, I'm going to check my caps off again. I do have a capital. I know it makes sense. I remembered my period, and my spelling is accurate. Let's read that sentence just one more time. We will need the bright flashlight. So, in closing today we focused on the sound I-G-H. There's 3 letters in I-G-H. They stick together and they say the word I, long vowel I. Tomorrow in OG we're going to find the 4 different ways to make the long vowel I, and we're going to try to write some sentences that have the 4 different ways to make the letter I. Before you go, let's just read these real quick. These are our trick words for the week. Read that word to me. If you said the word have, you are correct. Read this word to me. If you said the word one, you are correct. Read this word to me. If you said the word really, you are correct. This is a 2-syllable word. I see the word some and I see the word times. I put it together and it says sometimes. And then this word is through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Not like you threw a ball, but you're through with your homework. I'm going to give you a special treat if he'll come to us. He's right here. Just a second, please. Come here. Come here, handsome. Look who I found. Oh, come on. He's kind of TV shy. Hi, Miracle. Oh, see, he's not like Ryder's cat. There he is. Say hi to the boys and girls. Hi, Miracle. He's off. Although this is a pretty cute picture collage of him, I'll show you. See, he is pretty cute. Everything with Miracle is on his, where is he? Is on his terms. Say hello, boys and girls. Say hello. There he goes. He's gonna look right at you guys. Look at the camera. What's this, Miracle? Look up. Anyways, such a cuddly cat. Anyways, have a great day. Love you guys, miss you, and we'll talk real soon. Bye-bye.